Defending your honor, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase. Defend one's honor. This phrase is rich in meaning and history, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication. Let's explore what it means to defend one's honor, how it's used, and why it's significant in both historical and modern contexts. Defend one's honor refers to the act of protecting one's good name, reputation, or integrity from insult, challenge, or disrespect. Honor here is synonymous with one's dignity, virtue, or respectability in the eyes of society. Defending one's honor might involve standing up for oneself in a verbal argument, taking action to prove one's innocence in the face of accusations, or, in more traditional or historical contexts, engaging in a duel or challenge. Historically, the concept of honor was taken very seriously in many cultures. In some periods, such as during the Middle Ages or in the societies of ancient Rome and Greece, an individual's honor was considered almost sacred. Defending one's honor could lead to duels, battles, or public declarations. Although we don't resolve disputes through duels in modern times, the idea of defending one's honor persists in the legal system, social disputes, and personal values. In modern times, defend one's honor is used more metaphorically. It's about standing up for oneself or others in situations where integrity, character, or reputation is questioned. This can happen in various scenarios, such as publicly responding to false accusations, addressing slander or libel in a legal context, standing up against bullying or harassment. For example, if someone spreads false rumors about another person, that person might feel compelled to defend their honor by setting the record straight. When using the phrase, defend one's honor, it's important to understand its weight and implications. It's a strong statement that implies a serious defense of one's character or reputation. Here are a few tips on using it correctly. Use it in formal or semi-formal discussions. Ensure the context involves issues of integrity, respect, or reputation. It's best used in serious conversations rather than casual chats. Understanding the phrase, defend one's honor, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the depth of certain expressions. It's a testament to the importance of integrity, reputation, and dignity in human society, values that remain significant across time and culture. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase's meaning and usage for you. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about history, culture, and values. Keep exploring, and thank you for watching.